Hi folks, welcome to 8-Bit Retro Journal. Today I'm going to work on this. This is a Sony cassette deck that I got off a free cycle. But it's I don't know how old it is, but I always wanted a real cassette deck. I had one as a kid. It was from Radio Shack. Tried it out. I've got a power converter and the right plug. But it's not working, and the reason why is I took it apart. It's got a bad belt. So and it is already taken apart, so I can just kind of open it up pretty easily. Let's put this to the side. Yep. It's got two belts here that I need to replace. And I got belts. All sorts of belts. Yeah, these are belts. I don't know why they gave me 2 packs, but 2 packs it is. I think they're the identical. Huh? Well, it's in Chinese, so unfortunately I can't read it, but let me check. Yeah, they might be the same. So I'm going to give one a try. Are they all the same size? Maybe that no, they look like they're identical. Okay, so I'll open this one up, and we'll look at a potential belt replacement. Let's not cut the belt. Right. You're going to cut it right there on the dotted line, and not the belt though. Oh, that was close. They just melted it shut. There we go. So what I need is, well, the question is, what do I need for a belt? I guess I can just kind of, so it's not the longest, maybe it's this guy right here. Oh, I guess I'm going to have to pull this all out. Oh, I see. This is not yet, there you go. Can I just pull this? I just want to pull out one of these. No, I'm going to have to pull the whole thing out. Unfortunately, the way this is designed is not to be taken out. I think this large one is not going to work. Yeah, this is very, the old belt's actually very sticky. That one's too big. I did lose already some of the old belts, so I'll have to estimate what that loss is, but let's try this guy right here. That might be the right size. Let's see what we got. We've got that's pretty close. That's maybe how much I lost. Do they have anything that's slightly smaller? It's going to be kind of difficult to figure out which one to get, so let's get rid of the large ones because those I don't want. And then the second largest and then slightly smaller one. Are these all going to be the same? Yeah, I think so. What about this size here? Oh, yeah. Okay, we got one right here. Okay. That looks like it's slightly smaller. These look like they're the same size, which I have here. Okay, it's either going to be this one or what about that one? Oh, that might be a winner. Okay, we're going to go with that one. I did lose a little bit off of this because it melted away, and I think this one's going to be the right size. Okay. There's another belt in here that actually is still intact, but I may take that off as well. Let me remove, there's one more screw here. Oh. Alright, let me remove that and see what we got. Are these going to be the same? I have a thing of screws, but that one looks smaller, so we'll put that next to it. Okay. All right, so that does come out. Oh, there's corrosion here as well, so I'm gonna have to clean this up at one point. But this board lifts up. Yeah, it kind of comes out. It's sort of stuck in there with this. There we go. It is definitely crusty. There is a wire down here that needs to be unscrewed. But right now I just want to... Oh, I see. Oh, it's... So it's sort of... There it goes. There you go. Yeah, and then we've got... Man, that is... oh, that's the speaker. And... yeah, you got this grounding strap. Take the grounding strap off, and this is a magnetized screwdriver, so you should just pick this up. Yeah, there you go. We're going to put that on the other side. Keeping track of... There we go. That's what I wanted. Yeah, look. So we've got... that goes on the outside, so I have this one on the inside. I think I should replace that one as well. It's not crusty or anything, but I have kind of the right size. Oh, wow. Where is it getting stuck on? Oh, it's just getting stuck on... there it goes. So this one, you know, you might as well replace that one as well. So what have I got here? I think it's not any of these. Wow, it's just a pile of gobs of this stuff. Well, maybe this one? Does this look promising? Yeah, we're going to go with that one. It's a little tighter. Well, I guess, I don't know. Anything larger than that? Okay, these are all the middle length ones. Is there anything in between? Okay, let's take this out. I want to move this off to the side, and then we have... It's like the same size. I mean, yep, I'm going to assume it's this guy, because this one is a little bit stretched. Okay, where's the other one? All right, so we're going to squeeze this on in here. It's good to have... Oh yeah, that's... Okay. And we want this in. There it goes. And then that's going to go... That's going to go around this guy right here. Let's just do that. There he goes. All right, number one, I think I'll straighten this off out. And then number two is going to be the bigger one. That's going to go on the top side. And on the top side. And let's just see what it does. There wasn't any... is that it? Oh, that is not it. It needs to go high up. It is not high up. Yeah, no, it needs to go. So that it needs to go. I think that did it. Yeah. So now you have it on both sides. Yep. There we go. Yeah, I don't know if I need to worry about... It's not... It looks like it's pretty good. Yeah. Okay. I think that's good to go. I don't want to futz with it too much because, you know, I'm the kind of person that'll break it. So let me just put this screw back on here before I forget which one it is. It is this guy right here. Oops. Yep. No. Come on. Oh, yeah, there we go. We're gonna have to, come on. All right, let's magnetize it. And then, there we go. And can I get it in here? I think I had it through here. There we goes. That's where I had it. Okay. There it goes. Nothing too fancy and nothing too tight. There it goes. And then this can go back in here. Now this is corroded, but I'll clean that up later. That's not critical. That goes in there. That goes in there. And I think that's it. And then there's a screw here. That's this little one. And let's put that in here. I think that's in. I don't think I need to do anything else in terms of screwing because it's back together. Okay, let's put the lid back on it and plug it in and see what happens. See if we can't get any, there it goes, back in one piece. Now the question is, this is the old one. It's still sticky. These are the new ones that I didn't use. I've got, this thing is set to 6 volts. Pops out. It's kind of a nice one. And I'm going to plug it into here. And that's going to go on this side. Positive tip, 6 volts. Boom. All right, let's see what it does. Excitement. Let's see if this actually works, though. So that works. That works. Oh, the pause button, that's why. Okay, that all works. And I think it's the counter's also working, if you can see it. Okay, I'll take that. So, it's dirty, not clean it up, but right now, this is the cassette it came with. Let's actually put it in and see if it actually plays. Stop eject. Which way direction does it go? It goes in this direction. Okay, let's give it a try, see what it does. Let's play it. Volume. Where's the volume? Oh, there's the volume. Yeah, let's make sure it's... Okay, so that's all the way down. Wow. That does not sound good. Let's see what... I mean, it's not doing any audio in here, so... But I don't hear anything. Volume is maxed. Let's see if it's going to make less of a noise than it did before. All right, let's make sure this volume is down. I don't know if I'm ready yet to put... so these are my backups from when I was a kid. And I've got a whole bunch of things on here. So I've got my assembler. I did get Chess and Battleship off of here. I have an assembler and a text editor. And then here I've got a modem, I don't think it was my modem software. Edit and transfer, two things that were. So the assembler is on here, but before I risk getting the assembler, I want to make sure that this can actually do a nice job. So I got these really short cassettes. I know where I got them from, but what I want to do is rewind. And let's see if we can record. Ready? So let's do that. Okay, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we did get a chance to record it, so. That did not record. Okay. Can we fast forward? Well, what's surprising is that... oh, this is a cue, I see. Maybe. So, let's put another tape in here. These all should be blank. Yeah, let's give that a try. What's going on with that? Is that the wrong direction? Oh yeah, it's the wrong direction. It goes like this. Okay. Okay, let's try it again. Rewind. Yeah. Okay, that seems to be testing, 1, 2, 3. Maybe the mic doesn't work. 6 volts. So I'm not able to record on these right now. What? Yeah, I don't know what... I mean, the heads might need to be cleaned a little bit. And I don't... It's not easy to look in there, but... it just feels like it's noisy. It's not plugged in right now. Is there anything else in here that would suggest that this needs more work? Does the motor need oiling? So let me find another tape as well. What I want to do is I'm going to get some oil and see if I can oil this or not. So I will be back. All right, I'm back. I did not have any 3-in-1 oil, but I looked at, I mean, the motor spins freely. I used some isopropyl and I cleaned the contacts. And I've been playing around with this a little bit, and actually I'm using a different, this adapter has more amperage. So, I'm using, that now. I think it's a little better, but it's still very noisy, so there's something going on. So let me demonstrate. Rewind, and I'm going to record. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to rewind and then play and turn the volume all the way up. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. So here, the volume is better, obviously, and it's recording. Before, when I did that, it was barely seeing it. What I'm curious about now is, can these cassettes record? So let me give this a try. Rewind, and again. I need to deox it, which I don't have a contact cleaner, but and I'm going to okay, here we go. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is the volume all the way up. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's getting volume. So the one thing, okay, so let's try recording on one of these. Let's do a brand new one that I haven't tried yet. Right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this in. So this goes to ear, and this goes to mic. I have I've got a program, so let me save it. HI. And so I'm going to give it about 3 seconds to hear this out. Yeah, let's go. 1001, 1002, and I'm going to hit save. 1003. Here we go. It's a very short program, so it's not going to take very long. And, yep, it's done. Okay. So, new this one, load, and turn the volume all the way up. Load, let's see what it does. Okay, that's good so far, but is it going to be loud enough? That's the thing. So there might be something wrong with the, I think it's tuned, it works. Excellent. Oh, I'm really happy about that. One more time. New list, load. So the issue was, boom, the power adapter was not enough amps, I suppose. Let's do this one more time. Boy, this brings back so many good memories. There's still, I think that looks like a good signal. It works. Look at that. Sorry, that's not what I want. I want the list. So what I want to do eventually, what still bothers me is the fact that if I have this volume all the way up with no stuff in here, you can see that if I go, see how loud it is. Okay, that's good. So, it's not making, it was making so much noise. Let me try that other cassette again. So these are good. These are very short though. I don't really know where I got these from, but let's give this one a try. Testing. I don't know. It's weird. Maybe before I put that power adapter in, but even after that, it was making just by. Let's try this. It was just making a loud noise when I wasn't even playing it. So maybe something worked itself out. Okay, I need to clean this a little bit further, and I got to investigate because I'm not quite ready. You know, I don't want to ruin these tapes. But the next thing on my agenda is to see if I can't look, because I only have, that's the problem, is I only have one assembler. What's on here? This is edit. edit, yeah, on both sides. Which side is edit on? I mean, I suppose I could try edit. And transfer, and this has edit and edit 3 PC. Yeah, I'm not quite ready yet to put these in danger, because these are my childhood ones that were backups, and these are nice tapes. So what I want to do is, this is dirty. I need to clean it. I need to get some W3 oil to see if I can oil it and test it a bit more. But I think this was a good first step, and success. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.